How's it going, guys? SYG Tech is here. This is the part 3 of the accessories of the TELESIN products. So in today's video I'm gonna show you this interesting bag from TELESIN. This thing is super cute and super small. Price $18. As you can see, that's a hard shelf bag, so to protect your Action 6. And let me show you in today's video what actually this bag can do. So if you want to, let's say, take your Action 6 and you want to protect it, you don't want just to toss it in your bag, you're afraid to scratch the screen, maybe the display, this small bag is pretty cool because it's perfect for the Action 6, as you can see. And here we have a space for the cables and maybe a battery. This is pretty cool. So this is the part 3 of the TELESIN accessories. As you can see, I do like this bag. It's orange and it's pretty nice, compact, and again it's ultra portable, very lightweight. It's only 85 grams. Comes with a lanyard so you can attach it here. So it's pretty cool. So you can just attach it here behind. You can take it with you. I think it's fun and it's a cool bag to have. Again, TELESIN, pretty cool, small. This is to protect your Action 6 if you decide to take it with you basically from A to B. Actually, let me try if this is gonna work with the Action 5 as well. It works with the Action 5 as well. So if you have an Action 4, 5, even Action 3, it's gonna work as well. So I think it's a very good idea to have a small bag. I already did a video of the bigger brother, which is this one here. This is a more big, but obviously you can add more accessories here. So you can add like ND filters, batteries, quick releases. But if you want just a small bag to put the Action 5 or 6, I think it's a pretty cool bag to have. So this is just a quick video with the TELESIN products. So this is part 3, I believe, from the video. So make sure to like, subscribe, guys. I'm gonna leave the first impressions unboxing of all the 5 products of the TELESIN. And also I'm gonna ask for a favor, check my YouTube channel. I have like 1000 plus videos. You may find something useful to watch. So yeah, pretty cool bag. I definitely gonna use it if I want to take my Action 5 or 6. I don't want to toss it in the bag because I'm afraid I'm gonna scratch the screen or the lens. But now I can take this with me everywhere. So there we have it, guys. TELESIN, thank you for sending all the products. Stay tuned for the part 4. And guys, yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Check my YouTube channel, 1000 plus videos. You might find something useful to watch. And also make sure to subscribe. Why not? See you guys in the next one.